Suitcase Crunch. All right, excellent exercise to target basically your entire core, lower, upper, obliques, mid, all of it. So this can be performed with either a dumbbell or a kettlebell. It really doesn't matter. All right, but let's go ahead and go over how to perform the actual movement. So I've got a dumbbell at my house, so I'm going to show you how to do it with the dumbbell, but I'll also go over how to grab it the kettlebell if you need to. All right. So first things first, you're going to lay all the way flat on your back. All right. So legs fully extended. And then from here, you want to grab with both hands the dumbbell right here, just like this. All right. So this is your starting position. You've got arms fully extended with the weight like this, legs fully extended. All right. Now, when you get ready to go, what you're going to do is pick up your hands off the floor, pick up your legs off the floor. Boom. All right. So now from here, we want to bring our knees in as far into the upper body as you possibly can. So if you notice, I've got my upper shoulder blades up off the mat. That's the key here. We're trying to get up tight. So think about, shutting a suitcase, right? You're trying to get up in here, full extension. Don't let your hands or feet hit. Really focus on that reach back, man. You get such a good stretch in your core. All right. Now, if you had a kettlebell, all you're going to do is put your hands, like if this was the kettlebell, just grab the kettlebell just like this, and then your thumbs go through the loop. All right. It's very simple. All right. Suitcase Crunch.